Back, left, right, stop.
So as soon as the water or the smoke contents reduce. Some of the farmers corn. To educate them on how to reuse corn after harvesting it, and also removing the ash. Some of the uses of the corn ash are some of the uses of the corn ash are fruits and all kinds of fruits and such other things, and also pencils.
And we wrap it with a paper.
We cut it and then we added it, we grinded it all. This is what you want it is. It has been
After we cut the bottom from this, the remaining part we don't want to, as he said, we don't want to bend to that to do like to leave the ozone layer, so we also make flour from it.
this is made from disposable bottle, which is wrapped in paper. The fruit of the tree is made balloons filled with water. This is a variety of colors.
It's also shiny because it's uploaded.
This is coconut. This one is also made of disposable bottle. The fruits and the trees are seeds of an avocado.
We dried it and we painted.
So taught us how to through the review, taught us how to weave a basket this type and different types of things. So we made a basket which we can keep our shop inside. Also we made another one, this one when we were going to market it has to dry it is also made with a packaging belt. This one too is another weaving material, and it is made with a disposable pack. We cut it into pieces, then we use the yarn, the one that we use for this one, then we use it to weave it. And this one too, but this one we use a blue bag container to weave it. We have an innovator that's been here. After our buckets are ready, we don't want to dispose it or burn it so we use a packaging bag to make a dust.
We don't want to misplace the needle, so I'm trying to
Close the bag.
This one is a table. We make a flame and we place our dress horizontal and vertical. Then we join it one end. We join it together to make a table as well. This one is different than others. This one, we can use it at the coffee shop.
before they used to be coffee table. So the smaller size is for coffee table. And this one is for tabletop tray. Depending on the size that you want to make the tray.
We also make fun.
This one is family.
And also,
This one is
we learn how printing. This screen printing. This one is screen printing.
have their names and their nicknames.
For the class.
And
Put it on
then our school, our teacher. We also and for the baby, we use some band, and also when you draw your artwork and you want to design it, you can use this to design it. Like this one, our classic, we plan that we design it with the baby. We use our national flag. And this one too, after sharpening our pencil, we use our waste, the waste that we dispose it to create a design. And also we create a hairband. The hairband, this one they sell it, but this one, as for culture, when it's culture, we wear our culture, the one that we tie it on the band, we use it. I create a band on it. I use it to create a band. And also we use it to design our slippers.
This one is torchlight.
Torchlight.
Help us to see the
Battery power is battery.
Yes, please. So these ones are shapes. That helps us to make force. So this one, you can make sandals. These two is a building construction. This is a fan. Actually,
What is that fun?
yes.
Paper. Paper fan.
Yeah.
The woven belts.
I realized that sometimes some of the students they come to school without wearing the belt. So I told them how they can make their own belts. So when you come to our school, most of the students they use our school currency to make this one. They wear them.
For me, the part of accepting that is
That's great. So good job. I'm proud of you. Keep it up, okay? Fantastic. Great. So move your head.
Many people cannot afford to go for treatment. Students from what is senior high technical school are more affordable analysis from solar panels. Here in Ghana, lately there have been problems of electricity, so if there is a treatment going on, and then also it can cause problems. Therefore, we put in our project is solar panels so that it continuously locally sourced materials because even in schools we are taught to patronize made in Ghana goods. and to import goods from outside will cost more. So I want to make our device very affordable. For that case, we decided to go for locally sourced materials which are readily available here in our environment. The integrator sensor, because some dialysis machines do not have sensors. So if someone is an LCD screen, the operator will easily know that, oh, there's something wrong with the patient. They have to do something about it. As I mentioned earlier, there is electricity problem here. Also, the electricity is expensive. And even if the hospital has generators, they'll have to buy fuel. Now, fuel too is expensive. So we decided to go for the solar panel, which uses renewable energy. Every day the sun shines, so every day we can charge our solar panel. Complex. We wanted to make the operation very simple so that when there's an operator treating a patient, the person won't be confused. If it becomes too complex, the operator might get confused and might mistake some processes. So because of that, we decided to make our device very user-friendly.
Hey, the machine is not here, right? Right now, this one look at that. This time I pass, I'll come by and look at it. Seems like the automatic communication and those who also are into traffic management and car sensor projects. Let's see how this is. Instead of being their idea, the school should move to each other and then start transferring ideas. How many apparatus? I want you guys to go to and you all look at the person who is and see how this is. You can get the project done. I think that it will help us. Great, good job. Okay, so that's what we have. So this is a smart house, and this smart house contains sensors. We have motion sensor here, gas sensor, temperature sensor, light sensor, and rain sensor.
So the function of the motion sensor is to detect thieves and it attaches to the windows so that when there is any intruder or thieves, it will activate the buzzer so that it will make a loud noise. So the occupant in the house will alert the occupant in the house so that he or she will take action. And as for the smoke sensor, it's a device that detects gas. And for instance, when your house is on fire, so as soon as the water or the smoke content reduce, the water automatically also stops.
This too is a temperature sensor. This too is a photoresistor. So the temperature sensor is to measure the temperature. And the photosensor to detect what is the. This too is a rain sensor. Detect whether.
And after that, some of their team members also they explain. Yeah, you have to get a client project done and see how this works. Is that okay? That's a good work. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself.
This one is a conveyor belt. It is a mechanic handled device which is used to object from one place to another. And it is made up of two motors. The motor is used to turn the conveyor belt. And it is also made up of EV6. The EV6 is the brain of the conveyor belt.
So you assemble that. There's one that works like this, but it's for gaming. I think I've seen it online. It's for gaming. It has a lot of channels. You put the pebbles in and it runs on a run.
That's why I remember this. This one was I didn't get the time. So it was one times this one was
It's a good work. Very interesting. Keep it up.
Yes. And for the smart house, we have the keypad here,
Yes.
which is used to unlock the door automatically. When you enter the correct code, the door will automatically open.
It's a wrong code for 3 times. There should be another.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes. The buzzer is
So, you guys should look at each other's smart house. You should see how you can integrate the systems. Okay, great.
and reverse. So these two buttons are used to tell the directions of the machine, whether to go to the left side or to the right side. So this room also displays the heart rate of the patient. But we are here to add that one, we are here to add the heart rate sensor, which will also detect the heart rate of the patient. So this button is for the incliner, which is so much. The heat is going to demonstrate. So this is how the incliner is. As the patient is sitting on the incliner, it can also please. It can be located by both the remote and using the manual interface as well.
it's a big one. So this is just the control. This is just the thing. So you add more sensors to it.
It's a big one. Good job, okay? The supporting is good one. Great, great. Hello, how are you? Great, great, great. So what do we have here? I presume you know us already. If you don't, you do. Okay. So, like this name. Peter Dinam.
This one is rechargeable light. So in case we were using the DC one, the light goes out, you can use the rechargeable one. So you just connect it with your power bank. It stays for you. And also got to know that some of the areas they don't have electricity, so they can use the solar one, and we did the solar one too, which they can use it in the evening. Instead
We charge it during the daytime.
Yes. So basically they are meant for students who wants to learn private. Some of the students want to learn private.
Which school are you at?
Set yourself.
If they will get the opportunity or the time, let them visit the British. They have a solar street light assembly plant, the training center there, so that they will see what they do as well. They compare their components with yours as well. We'll go there and understand the concept of the model. Okay, we'll make that arrangement so that when you give your details to, or you get in touch with the education director at the district, or you get the school director, we'll facilitate it so that you can go there and also experience what is happening in the rollout as well. Good job, clap for yourself. Fantastic. Okay. I think I'm getting a story. Take us through.
This is a sanitary card made from banana fiber. Here is our banana stem. It's extracted. That we extracted. This is the fiber that is from the banana stem. Yeah. So, yeah. Here's the fiber shampoo. Small pieces. The later blended. Have very fine textile. From here to here.
Value chain.
Then to this, and the final with that. This fiber you see here, the fiber here is what we have put inside. They come with the cotton liner. This is a waterproof material. So if you want to use it, you just use our cotton liner. Then you just fasten it onto the bottom, the waterproof material. Put inside the pant, you fasten at the back here to be like this. Everything was manual, we had no machine, so everything, as you see it, this is how it will be. When it gets where you just have to move this, you dispose it. That's why if you dispose it too, it's very degradable, it just easily decompose because they don't produce. This one too is reusable. You just wash it, use the cold, and use it.
That's what you have here, right? Which school?
Yeah, about 7 years.
Keep it up. They're impressed. You see the crew, so you yeah, you money in India.
It looks exactly like that. I don't know the fiber that is for the POP. But this one is extracted from the banana.
Okay. So this is banana. That is plantain.
No, what I know is the banana.
Is there much difference?
Yeah, the banana, you see the fiber is a bit harder than that of the plantain.
Yeah, I'm not number. How are you? Yeah. Very well. My name is Dr. Frank Amoakohene, the regional medicine. I'm here with the team of inspectors we have here. So take us through.
So over here we have a car that is controlled using a Bluetooth. So we have a Bluetooth module which will send a signal to the Arduino Uno. And the Arduino Uno also send another signal to the motor driver, which will then control the two motors over here, which will power this very vehicle to move. So but first we would have to connect it to a device such as a mobile phone or a tablet by the use of a custom-made app.
Wow.
The connections have been made on that phone and are being tested to show you that it can move forward, backward, left, and right without crashing.
That's good. And I like your answers. I hope I don't cause any accidents. Okay, forward, back, left, right, stop. Hey! Okay, forgive me, okay? It's a good work, it's a good work. What I want you to do is that there are other car models on the other stands, okay? So what you do is that when we are done, you go there and look at what they also have. They also come here and look at what you have. then see how best you can integrate your systems to affect each other. Is that okay? Great. I want us to form collaboration so that we can have a joint project with even the other schools. Is that okay? Great. Which one is this as well?
So over here too, we have a smart dashboard. So telephone open by itself. So this is an ultrasonic sensor. It senses the distance between the rabbits that you want to place in the dustbin and the sensor itself. So the maximum distance is 25 centimeters. You have to be at least 25 centimeters close before the dustbin will open. Then you drop whatever you want to do.
That's nice. There are some few ones too on the other desk. So I want you to take a look at them as well. So they can get some additional information, or you can even share your information with them so that you can all improve together. Okay? Great. That's nice. I'm impressed. Good job and congratulations. Thank you.
And please, we also have a power bank here that would like to.
Oh, you also did it yourself.
So please, this is a power bank. So you just plug this in, you connect it to the phone, and then that's that.
So you arrange the cells yourself,
Yes.
and then the pins and everything. Okay, then inscribe the power bank on it. Good job. Okay, so we are done here. So I'm magazine. Great, thank you. Oh, that's right. So I think that I made a case for you on one of the projects that I'm coming to. Okay, we discussed it today.
Yes.
Great. So what do you have for us?
So here we have mechanical aspects and also have the electrical technology aspect. So I'll take most of the mechanical aspect. So I'm technical institute. We are more into, we are taking the agribusiness, we are taking one side of the agribusiness. So let's go to the technical. This is a grain grinding machine for maize, millet, beans and all those things. You can use this machine to do a bit of grinding. Then after that one, we come to this cassava grater. The idea behind you making it like this, introducing the taxes. You know, mostly you get the produce from the farm, bring it to the house, then you do the later, you leave the waste there. So the idea was this, introduce this ties, you send it to the farm, and you do everything. We also have this farm. These are women who find it difficult doing the pounding and all those things. So with this extractor, they are easy to do. So this is what we do.
So you have a central system that you connect with the motor.
You connect this to the motor. You power it. You can also give it an engine so that you use diesel or petrol. This is a diagnosis machine. Vehicle diagnosis machine. So we use this in connection with the OBD system. That's onboard diagnosis system.
Alarms and all that.
To check all these codes first on the machine. So the system is it's like this an Android system. So you on it, the applications are. So this is for this China cars, the heavy trucks, the Uvo and all those cars. So you on your system, then you come to look at it, you see the manufacturers are there, the buses are there. The bus is there, you go to construction, you see this machine, man is there, Scania and all those machines are there. We also have the programming, the key programming machine also for this new cars or the current cars, they use chips. So some cars, if you lost your key or break your key, you have to cut it. So after cutting, you have to program so that it will equal with your code. So this is basically what we do. Yes, for the speaker.
Okay, I think it's a good one. You have a more refined finishing, especially with your mechanics. So what you do for us is that the rate of accidents, especially when your hand gets stuck and all that. Other groups have a lot of senses integrated. So I want you to visit their strengths and see how their senses equate. And see if you can add that installations as well to be able to step it up to 21st century. Again, for them, they design interesting equipment, video vehicles among others, but they are all at the very basic level. Let's see how best we can integrate their system into a real life modeling system so that ICD can do that peer collaboration and help them with their fellowship whilst we look at their senses and how they program it and how they can integrate things. So I think that is our last. The last one they are on the other side. Okay. But when you are done, you join the meeting. But once we are out, they will coordinate so that you can visit the other stands and know what they have, and they can also come here. They also tell them what they also do. That will be. You can step up. Good job.
Several years ago, before the advent of social media,
Okay, where are we starting from? Here. Here. Let's see. This is still department. We are 5 letters announced.
radio.
Most of our projects will begin with the aerospace. Including those. And because it's encompasses all the physical engineering, we have electronics, civil, mechanical, anything. We put the students to work in groups. We produce zeros. So over the years, we've done ships, economics, we've done civil engineering, we've done so many things.
That is fashion. We have two of
How much you have used wood or is wooden? Okay, but the skin is styrofoam. I will show you if we later get advanced material. We use carbon fiber. Everything. Speed controllers. They use an electron polymer battery. Just a small one. Give me the transmitter.
Another become media.
Yes.
You want you to put
Run where we have reached. So we have the capabilities, everything is good. But if we get the support, then we look at making it robust. Because right now,
so the reason why I told them was it 2 years ago when I became the leader, it was difficult for them to realize this. So we have to go to the front line. For that time, we need to beg either than doing right. We are expecting around 200. So if we have something, we go to aviation, if it's lances or whatever, then they can take the person. But they are not paying it. Who did they beat him with? But we want it to be something.
let's go after the previous. We want to update the previous initiative, how we there's a lot of innovation. So we can bring people who are ready to invest in that area, that nationalize it, become the next. That's why I need a proposal document from them. That can sit and study and see the areas where market anymore there. That's these. I don't know.
Hey, I'm hungry, man. Hey,
You're crazy now, sir.
Hey, shiny. Hey, fool. Hey.
Well, you know, you free video now. I'm going to help. I'm going to minimum.
You're managing me.
And Aziza, your mom, was unfortunately a part of this child. A few minutes after they arrived at the hospital. Well, at least she succeeded in engaging the public, right? Now, my opponents, what do you call this? For a civil servant who has a lot of documents on his desk, begging to be attended on these social media platforms, chatting, watching movies, and even football matches.